Good day mga kamak and trees, and finally here we are again for another vlog in regards to my Ride Life group, Lanang Ride. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At ito na nga tayo, finally nakalabas ulit. So we are going for a north ride this time. Very convenient kahit galing ako sa south kasi take ka lang ng SLEX and then Skyway. And then, labas na, NLEX. Very convenient. Although, syempre, may kamahalan ng toll, pero all worth it yan. So, saan kami pupunta for this ride? Ito muna, this would be in Petron, Marilao. Usual meetup place. Dami rin mga riders dyan, no? Yung mga CB650 group, nandyan din yan. Alam ko may ride sila during this day. Hindi lang tayo sumama. So, we chose the smaller group. So, napaka-convenient ito kasi from NLEX, may pinasukan lang kami. Bulacan area to, pero still, parang highway kasi maluwag, walang masyadong sasakyan. At dire-diretso kami to El Rio Adventure Cafe. Dito yan sa Bulacan. So, ano makikita nyo dito? Napakalawak nito. Hindi mo akalain na may ganito sa Bulacan. So, sabi nila, this is Angat River. Kita nyo naman yung space na to or location na to, hindi lang to pang big bikes, no? Kahit small displacements pwede dito. Madaming activity, pwede ka mag-kayak, mag-banana boat, ano pa pwede gawin. Sobrang lawak ng lugar na to. Ganda rin ang pagkakasetup niya kasi overlooking, napaka-peaceful, takot-takot lang mag-swimming, hindi mo alam kung ano meron dyan. Pero very good destination to for riders or yung mga gusto lang mamasyal, no? So very fresh yung air, malamig, and of course, no, just like any rides, ang pinunta talaga natin dito ay ang kainan. So hi to everybody. Yan ang mga kasama ko for this particular ride. Parang 11 yata kami or 12 kami bumiyahe. So as usual, breakfast dito sa may parang veranda, no? So maluwag to, no? Can hold about siguro mga 50. So we ordered our breakfast. Ito yung in-order ko, yung tapang baboy ramo, no? Specialty daw nila yan. So after eating, ikot-ikot, picture-picture, enjoying the place, enjoying new friends. May isang passion which is to ride. May mga OBR din sila, no? So talagang ideal destination. So thank you mga ka-ride life and kamak and trees, and see you in the next video.